Ooh, what's this? A golden ticket.
It's a golden ticket. Golden ticket.
If you've been wanting to learn how to tattoo, I got a sweet deal for you. When you join the Artist Accelerator program, you have the opportunity to cash in your golden ticket. Inside the Artist Accelerator program, we're going to take you through every step of becoming a professional tattoo artist. We do this in an easy to follow 9-step process that will help you become a professional tattoo artist in as little as 90 days. You'll get personal feedback from me, Nathan, and Jay. All of this inside the Mastermind Facebook group, where you could ask questions, attend live calls, and network with other artists on the same journey as you. Over 7,500 students have already used this to get into the tattoo community. And if you join the program before the deadline at the bottom of this page, once you go through the same program as these artists, your completion certificate will be turned in to a golden ticket that you could trade in to get one of the artist seminars of your choice, all for free so you could continue your education and personalize in the style that you want. Like Danny's new school Blackwork seminar, Brian's watercolor seminar, or Patrick's realism seminar. Don't miss your chance to get a golden ticket, and I will see you in the group.